We're joined by Sophie Ryan with a quick look at the weather now. Sophie, where could the storms hit?
Good evening. Some really dry areas across parts of central Queensland could get some welcome rain if these storms eventuate through the Gulf country and south into the Maranoa regions tomorrow. Meanwhile, thunderstorms and rain should continue. Good evening, everyone. It was a beautiful sunny day on the Sunshine Coast today. It was warm too. We reached a top of 27 degrees at Maroochydore just after midday. Tomorrow should be mostly sunny. I'll have more on the forecast shortly. First, let's take a look at how the mercury moved across the rest of our region today. Cooler for the coast, Caloundra 27, also Noosa. Further inland, warmer in Gympie, a top of 28 degrees today. Taking a look at the chart now, so we do have a coastal trough that's moving over the Capricornia district.
We're joined live by Sophie Ryan with a quick look at the weather. Sophie, where are things heating up?
Good evening. Tomorrow, daytime temperatures will be above average for most of Queensland as a warm air mass moves in from the west. It'll be hot in the Northern Territory too, particularly on Sunday as a trough developing over Western Australia. Along the southeast coast, we do have that low that's moving further offshore and weakening, so that's been causing these rainy conditions, but we'll see sun returning to parts of the southeast. Taking a look at the next 7 days now, we do have showers likely for the remainder of the week. This rain and storm activity is thanks to a broad area of low pressure stretching from the Northern Territory into Queensland. It should continue to have an impact tomorrow. I'll have more details coming up in the full weather report soon.
At the weather, Sophie, how hot will it get?
Good evening. A hot, dry air mass will move over Queensland from the west tomorrow, sending the mercury soaring. It's hard to believe it's winter at the moment. Maroochydore reached a top of 27 degrees today, and it should be another warm one tomorrow. Sunday we'll see a change with some stronger winds coming through. I'll have more on the all-important weekend weather forecast very soon.
Right, Sophie Ryan joins us now for a quick look at the weather. Sophie, there's more on the way.
Good evening. Parts of the top end could get some rain as thunderstorms move across the north coast tonight. For our capital city, it'll be a hotter day in Brisbane tomorrow with 29 the top, a partly cloudy one too. For our backyard, Maroochydore 27 also for Caloundra, cooler in the hinterland 26, slightly warmer for Nambour 28 tomorrow, and Gympie heading for a top of 30 degrees. Taking a look at the weather chart now, we have plenty going on right across the country at the moment. For Queensland, our weather is being driven by this trough, and that's causing a warm air mass. It'll move over most of the state tomorrow, so we'll experience significantly above average temperatures with heat wave conditions expected across inland parts of...
Joined by Sophie Ryan with the weather forecast. Sophie, when will the conditions ease?
Good evening. A low pressure system off the southern Queensland coast is combining with a high in the Tasman to generate strong winds and dangerous surf for the southeast. These conditions will continue tomorrow but should start to ease in the east. Across the country tomorrow, chilly for the red centre, 1 to 17 degrees there. Perth 11 to 19. Mostly sunny for Adelaide with a main focus for weather across the state over the next few days is this surface trough that's moving through the interior. Today it triggered rain and storms, and tomorrow it will continue moving where it will affect areas further east. We'll have tomorrow's forecast shortly. First, let's take a look at how low the mercury dropped across the region today. Gympie 2 to 19, chilly Nambour just 5 to 19. Now this ridge over eastern Queensland is weakening while a trough pushes through the state. Tomorrow this should move off the east coast. We'll take a look at the next 7 days now. So we do have possible showers continuing for the rest of the working week. Those maximum temperatures around 25, 26 degrees, mostly sunny for Saturday at this stage. And that is your full weather forecast. I hope everyone has a great evening.